Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to Motorola Moto G73. You need to start by opening Play Store on both. Now click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, click on Open. Over here, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, click on I agree, then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Following that, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Xiaomi and receive next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on Motorola, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Xiaomi. By tapping on all of those dots from all of those categories above, you can select all of your files. You can also just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now select the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon on Motorola, located next to Input key. Now click on while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and point your Motorola's camera at the code. You can also enter this 6-digit PIN. In order to do that, click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers, and connect using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!